Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to cancel SketchUp subscription. So if you want to cancel your subscription, all you have to do, this is the profile icon, sign up and log in to your manage account portal. This option, log in your manage your accounts. As you can see here, click this manage portal and then click on edit plan setting. As you can see here, click edit plan setting. After click edit plan setting, you will see this page. From here, click on plan setting and then click on edit plan. As you can see here, when you click edit your plan, click on this icon. This is plan, click annual your plan and then click done. So friends, easy steps you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. Just click edit your profile. From here, click edit profile, plan setting and then confirm your cancellation. Thanks for watching.